Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily fix any issues with your Wi-Fi connection. So if you find trouble in connecting to a Wi-Fi network, or if it's saying it's connected but you are not getting internet access or some kind of issue, so I'm going to show you how we can easily fix that. So in order to begin, I'll go to the search bar, and now I will search device manager, and you can see here device manager. I'll click on it, and once I'm in here, I'll do is I'll scroll down till I find the option network adapters, and I will open this one. And now we can see this option which says Wi-Fi wireless LAN card. For me, I have a MediaTek LAN card, so if it might be different for you. So what you have to do is find this thing with the Wi-Fi. So once you find that, just click on it and right click and click on disable device, and it will ask for a confirmation. Just click on yes. Okay, now it gets refreshed, and what you'll have to do is come back and enable this device. Okay, so after enabling the device, you can see your Wi-Fi is available here, so you can all your issues regarding your Wi-Fi connection problems will be resolved. You can easily connect your any network that you want. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.